Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Stay at home, stay healthy. Today we will learn how to make an owl like this. See, from waste paper. You can use newspaper or waste old notebooks. I am using here old notebook जो कि आप फेंक देते हैं, आप यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, जो लास्ट ईयर्स की बुक्स हैं, नोटबुक्स हैं, जो आपके किसी भी काम के नहीं, आपको वो यूज़ करने हैं. I am using here my daughter's notebook. See, this is old notebook. I am taking this paper for making this roll with the help of any straw, pencil, pen. You can use it. Here, material required for it, watercolor or poster color. You can use it. I am using here watercolor. Take some brushes, water, Fevicol. You need it. Scissor. Now let's start. I am taking here all notebook. Take out all pages one by one. Now make a straw with the help of stick or pen pencil like this. Take out stick, apply Fevicol, paste it. See, you need a 50 to 60 rolls. Then press it, roll it to make a circle like this. Take another stick, join it, apply Fevicol, then roll it again, take another stick, same, apply Fevicol. You have to make a big circle for an owl body and to make a small circle for eyes. Now take a stick, fold it, apply Fevicol, paste it like this. Take another small piece of paper like this, apply Fevicol again, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, let it dry. Take another stick, apply Fevicol, paste it. Now take a small piece of paper, apply Fevicol, paste like this for an owl legs. Same process. Take another stick, roll it in shape of triangle for nose, apply Fevicol, paste it. See, take another stick equally. Now apply Fevicol, paste it. Take one more stick, fold it, cut it, apply Fevicol, then paste it together. Now take two stick, cut it equal. Then apply Fevicol, paste all together. All done. See, let's start color. I'm taking here purple color for eyes, inner circle, orange for outer circle, nose in orange color, owl feather, orange and yellow, now paste it. First apply Fevicol for eyes like this, eyes, second eyes like this. Now take nose, apply Fevicol, paste it like this. See, now owl, stick properly. See, all done.
Hope you all liked it and understood how to make it. It is very easy and simple. Material required for it. It is easily available at home. You can use it for decoration. You can hang it like this and you can keep it on table as you like it. Bye. Thank you.